feeling?
It's an extremely overwhelming feeling. I'm so glad that I waited this long, that I've achieved a little bit to come here today and receive this kind of love and appreciation and acceptance from all my fans. And I want to thank Lux for giving me this opportunity. I have to say that for me, my association with Lux is not just as a brand ambassador, but I'm also a fan of the brand. I think all of us as women, as girls, we've all grown up idolizing the brand in a sense, and I have to admit that I do feel a small sense of achievement to have come on board and join the Lux family. And I think that's what makes this trip even more special, because it's my first time to Bangladesh with Lux, so that makes it doubly special.
Amazing. And I'm sorry for not being a gentleman. I'm Tasan.
Yes, we know.
Tasan. So I happen to be a singer, but Lux makes me do things that I don't enjoy, but this is the first time. They call me up and they're like, you have to flirt with the most beautiful woman on the planet. How can you say no? So how can I say no, right?
I usually get very awkward with people who flirt and compliments.
So is there anything else that I can do other than words, maybe?
Sing or dance for us, maybe?
Oh, dance, that's not my forte, but singing I can do, right? Yeah, they say that I can do.
No, but since you are a singer, singing obviously comes very, very naturally to you. But I want to put you in the spot now and maybe dance for us.
Okay, now I'm nervous. Okay, only if you show me the steps.
That's not fair, guys. Come on.
There's nothing called fair in love and war, so...
Okay, let me show you the signature Bollywood thumka.
Oh yeah, great. That's a... Come on, that's a female move. What's the male version
But
of
that's
that?
the point.
That's the point?
Make it your own. Like when you sing a song, you make it your own. Make it your own.
Okay, so I have to sing my own song, which are like boring love songs, and do that? No one wants to see that, no. But how about we try together? I'll try one of my recent hits. তুমি ছুঁয়ে দিলে মন শুনেছি? Yes, okay. তুমি ছুঁয়ে দিলে মন আমি জীবন তুমি ছুঁয়ে দিলে মন That's called Garba? So I have to do this?
Yeah.
Okay, so please, your fans are waiting to interact with you, so I'm not the only one who's going to flirt with you. There are others, you know. There are ushers and brand promoters all around the auditorium, so we're going to select people randomly, and they're going to ask you questions. So one-on-one interactions with Deepika Padukone. Dream come true, right?
This is what I live for, you know, for all this love and appreciation and these opportunities where you get to interact with your fans one-on-one.
Okay, so who wants to be the lucky one? Amazing. Okay, now I'm the most popular guy in town. Okay, just beneath Deepika Padukone's... Yeah, you. Yeah, the red dress, please. Please.
I can't believe I'm here. Okay, I'm gonna die. I am one of your biggest fans, and I'm going to be really awkward right now because you're right in front of me, and this is not a big TV screen that I'm looking at.
I'm as awkward as you are.
That's a lot of encouragement. So my name is Sneha, and as I've mentioned, I'm one of your biggest fans, and I would really like to ask you a few questions and put you on the spot. Okay, first of all, you were recently playing a Bengali actress in the movie Piku. Could you give us a few Bengali lines? Just to compete, you know?
Kichu hobe na.
That was great.
I know that song also. I can't sing it. Please don't ask me to sing. এই পথ যদি না শেষ হয়
তবে তবে কেমন হতো?
তবে কেমন হতো তুমি বলো তো, তুমি বলো। Thank you so much.
Thank you. So she gets a hug and a kiss. Oh, cool. Okay, so we need a male fan. Let's see if he gets a hug or a kiss. No. Okay, who's that person? Who's that person? Okay, the person standing. Yeah, you.
Hello, I am Sakib, and I want to ask you one thing, that what is that thing that someone has done for you, the most romantic thing that someone has done for you? And the other thing is, what dictionary do you have in your house? Because you always tell the people, kahan se kharid diya kisi bakwas dictionary.
Let's just keep it like simple and say that it's the love that I get from my fans is probably the most romantic thing. Well, there's one fan who religiously sends me flowers and chocolates every single day.
Every day?
Is it one of you?
It's me.
You. See?
To your doorstep?
Sorry?
To your doorstep?
My doorstep.
Every day?
Every day. Flowers and chocolates every day. No, but I have to say, I think it's all the love and appreciation that you guys give me. For me, that's the most romantic thing.
Okay, Deepika, I was just wondering, standing right next to you, you're so pretty. So the thing is, when I saw you first in Om Shanti Om, you were stunning. But year after year, you've been getting prettier. What's the secret? Oh, lots. Oh, okay. Okay, so now that you're the brand ambassador of Lux, what have you done for the brand?
We came up with 2 new fragrances. And I think I've always believed that fragrance, perfume, is something that's very, very personal. It's a representation of your personality. If you notice, whenever you wear a perfume, you walk into a room, if you smell it again some other time, it reminds you of that person. So I've always believed that a perfume is an extension of your personality. And I think I had the privilege to co-create 2 fragrances with Lux. And not only was I involved with just the fragrance part of it, but the packaging as well. And I like the fact that creatively, the brand and I have always been on the same page. And now I hope that when we launch the 2 fragrances and when all of you experience it, I hope all of you love it as much as I love it.
Yeah, exactly. So Deepika Padukoneর স্পেশাল লাক্স কিন্তু অলরেডি লঞ্চ হয়ে গেছে, সো আপনারা এখান থেকে যেই কিন্তু কেনা শুরু করতে হবে, রাইট? Yes. Okay. So Deepika, let's move on. There are other fans eagerly waiting to talk to you. Okay. I picked someone in red dress, and there I see a singer. You are a singer, right? How about you? The red dress. You too.
My name is Ador. Hi Ador, nice to meet you. Thank you.
And you are?
Hi, Rituraj. It's very nice meeting you.
So you're a singer, right?
I kind of sing, yes, not entirely, but I would only sing tonight if she sings with me.
Okay, cool. So any songs from her movies? One of her movies?
दिल को बना दो तो तंग सांसें तेरी हवा है, दिल को बताए जो तंग सांसें तेरी हवा है.
I would sing a song from your last movie, Piku. There is few Bangla lines.
Yes.
Shreya Ghoshal sang it.
Yeah.
So I will sing the Bengali line and please, the Hindi lines, please.
You're all going to sing with me, okay?
আকাশ ও পলাশ রাশি রাশি একটু সবুজে মুখ লুকিয়ে দে ঘর ছাড়া মানুষের মনে.
Thank you. Big round of applause for you too.
Thank you.
don't want to? Okay, so how about I call 4 of you, 4 female fans, and you girls will make her dance. She made me dance. Acha, LED TV next to the LED. 4 of you, 4 of you. Brand promoters, please bring them here. Please. Okay, don't faint. We don't have first aid kit here. Please line up.
Hello, Deepika. Hi, how are you? Hi. What's your name? Barisha. Hi. Hello. Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Yes? Hi, nice to meet you. Hi. You're looking gorgeous. Are you going to dance? Are we going to dance?
I'll leave.
Come back.
No. Very much. Okay, so last couple of fans. Is that a poster back there? Do I see a poster? Please come forward with the poster.
Hi, Deepika ma'am. Hi. Are you twins? Yeah, we are. Okay. Ma'am, welcome to Bangladesh. Welcome to Bangladesh. Thank you. I've been eagerly waiting for this moment because I love you a lot and I feel that you are the most beautiful person both inside and out. And I'm getting really nervous now. I really love you and you're truly the best, ma'am. Thanks for coming here. Thank you so much. Thank you. I want to thank you all for giving me the opportunity to come here and interact with all of you and all this love that you've given me. I definitely want to come back for a holiday though. No agendas.
Good. The thing is, you can have an agenda. Since you have so many fans, you should do a movie in Bangladesh. How about that? Would we love to have in one of our movies? Yeah.
Why not, Manjuna? Hi, can I also help you? Yes. Can I? Thank you.
But what can we do to actually capture this moment for all of you? Any ideas? What? Selfie? What? A selfie? Is there a selfie stick somewhere around here? So the thing is, Deepika is going to take a selfie with all of you, and we're going to post it on the Lux Facebook page. Okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you for
So,
Thank you.
thank you very much. Thank you. The mic over there. So here's the thing, we're ending the fan engagement session here, but to capture this moment for every one of your fans, how about you take this? So you have to press here. So let me, this is the first time I'm using this. Okay.
Can I give this to you?
Yeah.
Are you going to get in the picture as well?
Sure. How tall are you? Thank you. So big round of applause for Deepika Padukone. So Deepika, okay. So what can I say? I started off with on a lighter note, but thank you very much. It was a pleasure being with you, sharing the stage with you. The thing is, so you've been in Bangladesh for like how many hours? 7 hours now?
I'm not counting.
You're not counting. So after you've experienced the overwhelming love, what do you have to say to your fans?
Like I said, it's been extremely overwhelming. Second of all, I think we can definitely consider, like you said, doing a movie maybe at some point.
Yes.
And there's nothing like third of all, but third of all,
Loud cheer for that. A movie in Bangladesh. Oh, cool.
I definitely want to come back here with all my friends and family. I think there's so much here to see and explore. I feel like I'm back home, so definitely want to come back here over and over again and